Welcome to this video on long multiplication. In this video we're going to be looking at multiplying a number by a two-digit number. So to start off with, let's look at a number 37 multiplied by 26. Now the method I'm going to show you is the traditional column long multiplication method. So we write one number multiplied by the second number underneath. Now in order to do this, we're going to do this in a few steps. First of all, we're going to be multiplying by 6. We ignore the 2 there. So the first line is going to be 6 times 37. So 6 sevens are 42. So just like when we're doing short division, I carry the 4 across there. Some people prefer to put it there. I've seen some people put it up there, but I'm going to be putting it there for today. Then we do 6 threes are 18 plus the 4 is 22. So far we have done 6 lots of 37 is 282. Now, we need to multiply by 2 here, but the crucial thing to remember is this is 20, because it's 26. So in order to do this, we must put a 0 there when doing this calculation. If you fail to put the 0 there, then you'll miss out on the many method marks when doing these questions in your SATs. So now we're going to do 2 times 7 is 14, then 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. Now, at this point I'm going to cross off my numbers I carried across, because I don't need to use them now, because I'm going to be adding up the big numbers. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 2 plus 7 is 9. So 37 multiplied by 26 is 962. Now we'll look at a more complicated question. Let's look at 497 multiplied by 74. So again, to start off with, we're going to ignore the 7. We're going to multiply 497 by 4. So we start by doing 4 sevens are 28. So we do the 8, carry the 2 across. 4 nines are 36, plus the 2 is 38. Then 4 fours are 16, plus the 3 is 19. So 497 times 4 is 1,988. I'm going to cross those out because I won't be needing them anymore. Now, I'm going to multiply by 7, but the crucial thing to remember is this is 70. So I need to place that 0 there before I do any calculation. So 7 sevens are 49. 7 nines are 63, plus the 4 is 67. And 7 fours are 28, plus the 6 is 34. I'll cross those out again. Now I have to add up these numbers. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 9 plus the 7 plus the 1 is 17. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6, and 3 on its own gives me the 3. So 497 times 74 is 36,778.